Hey friends, in this video I'm going to share to you on how you can enable the dark mode on your Google Chrome browser. So if you want to enjoy browsing in your Google Chrome in a dark mode, then you can simply do that. So bring up your Google Chrome browser first. So in the Windows search bar, type Chrome. Best match, go ahead and click on that. Now currently and by default, Google Chrome is in a light mode. And if we're going to choose a new tab, and search for an info, it will be in a light mode. So how can you change this, or how can you enable the dark mode for your Windows if you want to enjoy browsing with your Google Chrome in a dark mode? Then simply after you have opened your Google Chrome browser, locate the three dots. You can actually find that in the top right corner. This is to customize and control Google Chrome. Now click on that. Simply scroll down and look for settings, the one with the gear-like symbol. And on the left pane in the list of options, you have to look for appearance, autofill and passwords, privacy and security, performance and appearance. Click on appearance. Now here in the appearance, you have this mode. So currently we are in a light mode as light is chosen by default. Click on this drop-down menu and you have three choices right here: light, dark, and device. Now we are going to enable the dark mode for our Windows, so simply click on the dark mode. And now your Google Chrome is in a dark mode. So if you're going to open a new tab, this is in a dark mode. As you can see at the top color of your Google Chrome browser, this is in a dark mode, unlike earlier that it is in white color because it is in a light mode. So if you click on this three dots, this is also in a dark mode. If you go to settings, this is also in the dark mode. So the process is just very easy. And however, if in some cases that you want to enjoy your Google Chrome browser in a light mode too, then you can simply do the same process. Just click on these three dots, scroll down and click on settings, click on appearance. Then you have here the mode. Click on this drop down menu and then choose light. So we are going to enable this in a dark mode and enjoy it. Enjoy browsing in your Google Chrome with a dark mode. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.